the 2014 Mazda 5. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. This model accommodates 6 passengers comfortably and provides features such as a rear window wiper, a tachometer, front and rear air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.